Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the file is a PPTX and making a backup copy immediately. This protects your work if something goes wrong. Next, unlock the presentation by removing read-only flags or any password protection in file info. You need editing rights to proceed. Once unlocked, check for embedded objects or linked files that might restrict edits and note them. These will require special handling. Make sure to close other apps that could lock the file so you can edit smoothly. Now you convert non-editable elements. You save as to ensure a fresh editable PPTX copy, then replace or convert PDFs and flattened images. Right-click and choose Convert to Shapes or run OCR on slides imported from scans. For text locked by fonts, embed or replace fonts via Save Options, or relink media that appears as placeholders. Once done, edit master slides and individual placeholders so styles propagate. This keeps formatting consistent and finish by reviewing the slide master to apply global style changes and ensure every layout is editable. This prevents slide-level surprises. Then inspect speaker notes, comments, hidden slides, and any lingering linked content so nothing remains locked. If you encounter errors editing, make sure file permissions allow modify access and then try the repair option in Office settings. If that fails, open a new presentation and import slides to strip stubborn restrictions. One key tip: always work from your backup copy to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.